welcome to another MISys tips and tricks video by Central Nervous Systems. This week we are going to give you a little tip on multi-locations, which is called advanced inventory in MISys and the corresponding accounting systems. So if you have the standard setup and if you go to stock control and want to maybe do a transfer of an item into your accounting system, you will see that there is a from location that is being asked. And if you click this, it will ask from which location you want to transfer to, and it will give you a list of the locations that are available in MISys. However, you'll notice that there is no location specified as the destination location to location. That is because in this setup, MISys and the QuickBook or Sage 50 connection is set up as a standard inventory location. That means there is only one inventory location on the accounting system. However, this might not be the case. You might be building the items in MISys and transferring to different locations within the accounting system. So to change that, you can go to your administration menu, company options, accounting tab, and you will see that in the bottom there is a selection here, allow advanced inventory multi-location. This will be available if you have a compatible accounting system that is attached, one of which is QuickBooks Enterprise. So when I check on this, it will check with QuickBooks to make sure that it can match it there, and then it will ask me for a default site. When I pull the drop-down list, this will show me the sites or the locations that are available in my accounting system that have already been set up. So I can select this and say use location 1 as your standard location. But in any of the transactions that you're doing in MISys, you would be able to change that. So if I were to save this, it goes into QuickBooks, but let's go and take a look at that sales transfer of a specific item. Again, you'll notice that a sales location has popped here and it's defaulting location 1 as the default, but you're able to pull it down and select which site you want to transfer it to as the destination location. So it's as easy as setting that up. But what is the setup on the other end? When you go into QuickBooks, you can directly go into Edit, Preferences, and under the Preferences menu, you select Items and Inventory, click on the Company Preferences tab, and you will see that there is an Advanced Inventory Settings button. When you click on that, it will open that, and you'll have to check multiple inventory sites is enabled. When you tick this box and hit OK and OK here, it will have it enabled. The reason mine are checked is that I had to show you on the video. And once that is checked and you go to the list, you will see an inventory site list menu appear here, which wouldn't have been here before until you check that advanced inventory option in QuickBooks. When you go here, you'll see all the sites that are being previously entered are here, and you can enter new sites or edit the inventory sites as you wish. The setup in Sage 50 is much similar to that. You can just go to the setup menu under settings, and under inventory and services, you just go to the locations option, and you have here your current location, and use multiple locations for inventory items has been activated. So you can just go and add a new line here and add your new locations as you wish that you want in your accounting system, which are mostly the locations that you want to transfer your finished goods to. So I hope this helps you use MISys more effectively, and hope to see you in our next video.